Hello everyone, in this tutorial you are going to learn about how you can make a collapsible content like this using HTML, CSS and some JavaScript. So I hope you will enjoy this video. For this tutorial I have created two files, index.html and style.css, which is inside the same folder called collapse content. Now let's write some HTML coding. I am using Visual Studio Code, so I just have to write HTML:5, then hit enter, and it will give me the template. Give it a title, frequently asked question. Then I'm gonna link this style.css. So write link, and then I just have to write style.css. Now I'm gonna add some CSS to it. Asterisk, that means I'm selecting all the element in the HTML. Box sizing, border box. Again asterisk, double colon, before, and asterisk, double colon, after box sizing, border box, and body whose margin is 0, padding is 0, font family and sans serif, background color is white, color is 4D5974, display flex, minimum height 100 vertical. Now let's add some coding inside the body. .container container, frequently asked question. Then inside the container I'm gonna create another div called Accordion, Accordion. Then inside this Accordion let's create Accordion element. Accordion item. The Accordion have a button, so I'm gonna write button, area expanded false, for the first accordion let's write a question: how many weeks in a year? After this span let's create another span for a icon. Here I use area expanded to know whether the element is expanded or collapsed. After a button let's give a accordion content, so div dot accordion content Then inside Accordion, let's fill this paragraph with Lorem ipsum. Then I'm gonna collapse this Accordion element div, then copy this, and I'm gonna paste it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in total we have 5 Accordion element. Now let's edit one by one. For second Accordion element, I'm gonna write a question. Where am I? For a third Accordion, let's write a question. What is my IP address? For fourth Accordion, let's write a question. What time is it? And for a last Accordion, which is the fifth Accordion, let's write a question. How to screen shoot? Now let's put some style in this Accordion and make it prettier. First I'm gonna select this container and style it. This margin auto helps to make our content center. Make a padding 4, rim width 48, rim. Now I want to give a bottom border for each Accordion, and the Accordion is this Accordion element, so I have to write dot Accordion. Inside Accordion, I want to select this, and I want to make a border bottom with is 1 pixel. It is solid. Its color is E5, E5, E5. Here you can see a thin border in each Accordion. Again I'm gonna copy this. Now this time I'm gonna select this button which is inside the Accordion element. So button area expanded to be true. Border bottom 1 pixel, solid 03 B5 D2. Here we are selecting only those buttons which is being expanded, and we give it a border color light blue of 1 pixel small width. Accordion button, then make it position relative. Display is block. Make a text alignment left with 100%. Padding is 1 em 0. Color is 7288 A2. font size is 1.15 rem, font width is 400, make a border none, make a background also none, and outline also none. Currently we don't have any effect on hover, so let's add some effect on hover. Cursor pointer, color is this, so I'm going to copy and paste it here. So now you can see we have a effect. Now again I'm gonna copy this, and now this time I have to add here after, and add after here also. Give a border 1 pixel solid, button Accordion, title, padding 1 em, 1.5 em, 1 em, and 0. Now we are going to create an icon, but first we create a circle. Inline block, position is absolute, top 18 pixel, right 0, width 22 pixel, height also 22 pixel, border 1 pixel, and solid. Now you can see a rectangular box. Now make it circular by making a border radius 22 pixel. The plus sign have two bar, the horizontal bar and a vertical bar. First make a horizontal bar. Here the shape of this bar is defined by this width and the height. If I just increase this width to be 20, it will be long, but let's just make it 10. Now I'm gonna copy this and paste it here, and this before is for the horizontal bar, and here I write after, which is for a vertical bar. For a vertical bar we have a small width of 2 pixel, but it has 10 pixel of height. Also the top is 5 pixel, but the left is 9 pixel. Now I'm going to copy this accordion bottom, if the button is expanded I want to change its color. If the button is expanded I wanna hide this vertical bar so that it will looks like a minus sign. Maximum height 0, overflow hidden, transition, opacity 200 millisecond, linear, and its maximum height is 200 millisecond, linear. Also we'll change opacity, maximum height. At last we will style the content, which is the Lorem ipsum content, which is a paragraph. So I'm gonna write paragraph and make it font size 1 rem, font width 300, and margin to em0. Now let's put a life on it using a JavaScript. So go to the bottom and then script. First I will write all the code and then I will explain the code. Okay. Here I have to write items. Here I have to write, here I wrongly spell, which is listener. Here you can see it working. Here I first select all the button, which is this 5 button, and after this code is executed, it will return array, and I stored the array in item variable. Then at the bottom, then whenever this button, one of this button is clicked, this code will trigger, and it will call the toggle accordance function, which is here. And after this function is called, first we get the attribute of this button. Here you can see the button has only one attribute, which is area expanded. It will tell the browser whether the button is expanded or not. This is expanded, this is collapsed. I can show this in a inspect. If I click here, now take a look at here. Right now it is false. Now when it is expanded, it will become true. False, true. So depending on that value, our function will work. Here we take that attribute, area attribute, and we store that in a item toggle variable. Then we make the area expanded of all other button to be false, and make the area expanded of the clicked button to be true. And guys, this is how we make a collapsible content. So hope you learned something new from this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video with your friend. And I will see you on the next video with an exciting project. Bye bye.